Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Twinchie Tuesday, hosted by Jenn of Sassy Southern NC Girl. Be sure and check out Jenn's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday to see what everyone else has made. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let me flip this up just a tad. All right, I've already got my pieces inked, and I just want to figure out how I want to lay everything. I just want to use part of that, so I am just gonna put part of this. I'm just gonna kind of lay this out, see how I want it, and see, like this. We have got this one. I'm kind of going with the red at the bottom, I think. And we have got that one. Okay. I like that. So let's see how I'm going to do this. I want to go ahead and get these down because I know they're going to go on the bottom. Hope everybody's doing good. I can't complain. I mentioned it on yesterday's video, but my oldest son Dylan has become engaged to his girlfriend Abby, and we are so excited. We love Abby, and couldn't be happier for him. It's such a blessing. She's a good Christian girl, sweet, and they are so much alike at times on things. They're both savers and like the same things. Couldn't be happier. All right. Now let me trim the ones that need to be trimmed, and I will save those pieces later on in case I have something else I may need, and I'll give that part a good inking. And this is just some scrapbook papers that I have. I like the colors, so that's what I decided to use. All right, now let's see how I want to lay that out. Start working up the space. Okay, we have got some tulle that I think I just kind of want to, can't see it much, but it's there. And it will make a difference, especially, you know, you may not see it on camera, but it makes a little bit of a difference off camera. Okay, so I'm just kind of crisscrossing these. All right, so we've got that, and we have got some, these are from some Tim Holtz die cuts. Let's see, that scrapbook paper, this is a gel print, and this is scrapbook paper. And I want to, I think I want to put that on the bottom, maybe. Or do I want to put it over the tulle? I got this stuff floating around, it sticks to itself. Yeah, I think I want it on top. So we will add that. Add that. And that. I don't even know which is top, which is the bottom, but I really don't think it matters much. Okay. And that one got turned upside down, but that's okay too. And we have that. Let's see here. Maybe tack along the bottom here. We have got this one. Like that. I think I want this one over here. And we have that. And then I think I'm just gonna add buttons. Now if I can get this all back down. All right, we'll start with this one. I think it's going to be the hardest. And like I said, I've already inked around all of these. I just want to come on now. Okay, this will need to go on the bottom. And now, see, I had my tweezers. What did I do with them? There they are. Just want to dab this on. And we will go across like that. And I have a little bit of this jar thread. So I am just gonna see, we've got that button. Well, let's see what colors I want to pull out here. I've got all kinds here. I kind of want towards thinking this brown here. I don't want to cover up everything. That blue is sticking to my finger, and I really don't want blue on that one. Just like I say, building up the layers. And we'll add that down. Okay, so we've got that one. And now let's work our way back here. And everything's sticking to my finger. So we will go and crisscross these. Let's see here. Get my spatula here. And I think I want to turn it that way and let that blue kind of go across that way. I like that. So, tweezers. My fine tip nozzle's not being very fine. Last time I ordered glue, I was going to get a new bottle, but I did not. Probably regret it now, but they were very pricey. I may do better just getting those little tiny bottles that I see others using. Come on now. Probably should be using Fabri-Tac. So this one's going to have a little bit of blue in it. So I can use that piece of blue in this one. Let's see what colors we've got. I like that little bit of red. I'm just pulling out some of this, bunching it up to see what we get. And we'll add that. Oops. That one's cute. Kind of starting to get the feel of this, so there. We'll put our number 7 there. And now let's see what we can get. Maybe some of these lighter colors. That's too much. I'd rather have a little bit finer. A little bit too much. Right. And add this. Cute. Last but not least, I don't know why, but I tend to go in 4s. Just feels kind of complete to me. Okay. We'll go this way. This way. I think I'll put that one down and kind of scooch it up to the top a little bit. And add that. And we have this button. And let's see what colors. A little bit less messy. There we go. And there we go. All this could go back into my jar. And I do believe I want to add some splatters to this. Make room here. I'm going to remember to fill this bottle up one of these days. I really love these watercolors. They do a very good job, I think, of doing splatters. And it's not so messy as ink. Okay. Of course, I never think about this until the end. So I just really want it not over the tool. Something about that little bit of gold just adds a little something to it. And last but not least, all right. So here are my Twinchies. I hope you like them. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure to check out Jenn's channel at Sassy Southern NC Girl, and be sure and check out the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday to see what everyone else has made. I love you. Take care. And until next time, bye y'all.